That's true.
And she brought this homeless guy to play with her just out of the kindness of her heart.
I'm actually getting to kind of talk. While Steve plays guitar. We've got some plumbing work to do. We need a nice effect for the toilet flush valve repair song. Does your toilet keep running through the day and through the night? Does the jiggle of the handle temporarily make things right? I can give you helpful pointers and talk you through the repair. Just listen to these instructions and you'll no longer despair. First, turn off the water supply and flush the toilet to empty the tank, and then go to the next one. The valve should be on the wall, or take off the hose under the tank.
You're freestyling.
I don't know how it goes.
You were at the bridge now.
The bridge?
You were at the bridge.
Oh, but we have to say these other two lines.
Okay.
Disconnect the valve chain connected to the trip arm, right?
Yep.
Remove the old flush valve and the flapper and set them aside. I guess I should have mentioned that you should have bought new parts before. A flush valve assembly and flapper, you can get a kit from a hardware store. Snap the tabs of the new flush valve over the clips on the overflow tube.
Sing it.
Seat the flapper level on the valve seat and ensure you have a good seal. Reconnect the new valve chain and test out your newly fixed toilet. Turn the water supply back on and be proud of a job well done. I guess I should mention that you should have bought new parts before. The end.
That was freaking amazing. I wanna always have that song playing as I'm walking down the street. Committed to memory. Because I think it's useful.
That's absolute proof that you can write a great song if you write a song out of spite. If your songwriting teacher puts up the worst chords possible on the board and you were so pissed off, and that weekend you have to fix your toilet and you just go, I'm just gonna write what I'm doing.
I was in your class for that.
And then sadly I played it a couple times and everyone went, you should do more songs on how to do stuff.
You should. Up next is Peter Zoldo. And after Peter plays, we're going to take a quick cake break. Now this is not a birthday, but we can still sing something. And cut cake and share cake.